According to an official statement by Apple, the company has pledged to address the software issues that have been identified as the source of overheating in certain iPhone 15 models. These problems have made it difficult for users to handle their devices comfortably, but Apple is working to provide a solution. The newly released iPhone 15 models have been the subject of complaints related to their overheating. Apple has attributed this issue to a software glitch and other factors that are linked to commonly used apps such as Uber and Instagram. These problems have resulted in the devices becoming excessively hot, making them uncomfortable to handle for users. On Saturday, the California-based organization in Cupertino announced that they are currently developing an update to the iOS 17 system that operates the iPhone 15 series. The aim of this update is to prevent the devices from heating up to an uncomfortable degree. Additionally, the company is collaborating with third-party applications that may be running in a manner that overburdens the system, causing it to malfunction. Meta Platform's Instagram app underwent changes recently to address an issue with the iOS operating system on the latest iPhone model. The update was aimed at preventing the app from causing overheating of the device. According to Apple, ride-hailing giant Uber and other similar apps, including the popular video game Asphalt 9, are currently in the midst of implementing updates. While Apple did not provide a specific timeline for the release of its own software fix, it did assure users of the new iPhone 15 that they should still be able to use their devices safely until the update is ready, and that no safety concerns exist. After online message boards reported overheating complaints, Apple provided a brief statement to the Associated Press. In the statement, they acknowledged a few factors that could potentially cause iPhones to run warmer than usual. The concerns surrounding the overheating problem in the new iPhones were echoed in an article by the Wall Street Journal. The article cited the results of their own tests on the devices, which were released for sale 1 week prior. During the initial few days of use, or when utilizing cloud-stored backup data, new iPhones exhibiting warmth is not uncommon, as Apple itself notifies its users. Additionally, when utilizing high-processing apps such as augmented reality and video games, iPhones may generate heat. However, the iPhone 15 models have been experiencing abnormal heating beyond these routine circumstances. Apple emphasized in their acknowledgement statement that the issue at hand is not connected to the elegant titanium casing that encases the top-tier iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is in contrast to the stainless steel utilized in previous models of smartphones. Apple has refuted any rumors that the new models of their devices experiencing overheating issues could be attributed to the switch from their proprietary Lightning charging cable to the more commonly used USB-C port. This change was made in compliance with a requirement put forth by European regulators. Even though Apple has conveyed their assurance that the problem of overheating can be resolved promptly through future software updates, it is possible that this issue could negatively impact the sales of their flagship product. This comes at a time when the company has already experienced 3 consecutive quarters of year-over-year declines in overall sales. During the last 3 fiscal quarters of Apple, iPhone sales have experienced a decline of 4% in comparison to the previous year due to the impact of the downturn. As a strategy to bolster sales, Apple has made the decision to raise the base price for their premium product, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, to $1,200. This marks an increase of 9%, or $100 from the equivalent model in the previous year. Since Apple's market value reached $3 trillion for the first time at the end of June, investors have been concerned about the company's unexpected sales decline. This concern has led to a loss of over $300 billion in shareholder wealth. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.